Hey everyone, this is Evan with Let's Do This. We're going to be making some pork belly burnt ends. And I have some cumin chili Kingsford charcoal. Ended up turning out really good. I've never used this stuff before, but definitely had chunks of wood in there. Take out my slides, get the rest of that ash out there. I'm just prepping my Masterbuilt 1050 gravity fed smoker. I use a blowtorch to get that going. And while that's getting up to heat, I use some barbecue seasoning, some brown sugar, and I got some red pepper. Now I'm going to cut this into 1-inch chunks. I have about 3 pounds, $2.50 a pound, $7.50, and whatever the charcoal costs and the seasoning. But I can tell you it's a heck of a lot cheaper than going to the barbecue shop down the road. Last time I saw their pork belly burnt ends on the menu, it was like $22 for a helping. I bet it wasn't even a pound's worth. So save yourself some money. You can make it better at home anyway. This is a recipe you can honestly just do in the oven as well. You don't even necessarily need a smoker. Use liquid smoke. I've been cheating using liquid smoke for years. If you want to check it out, look at my other videos. I make the perfect barbecue smoked ribs that don't even touch a smoker, and no one would never know. Anyway, putting my seasoning on, spread it over liberally all over the place, and then I even take my chunks and roll it around in my seasoning to get all the sides. Get this up to room temperature, and then you can throw it right on your grill. This is a grate I got out of my dehydrator, which works fine as long as your grill isn't too hot. Here I'm throwing it in at 250 for about 3 hours. Make sure to have a probe in there so it doesn't get too hot. If you get up to 165 or so, that's a good time to pull it out. Then you want to wrap it in foil. I put butter and brown sugar in there, wrap it, and throw it in the oven inside for another 45, 50 minutes. I want to get up to 200 to render that fat and make it so it's nice and soft, break apart when you chew it. So here we are dumping it all out into the same foil here. Put some butter in there, put some brown sugar in there, and this is where you get your coating, your burnt flavoring. And this lasted about a day and a half in my house. I mean, we just kept going into the fridge and eating it cold. We didn't even have to heat it up. It was so good. It was such a good, I'd say semi-healthy snack, right? Better than a chocolate bar, I guess. Better tasting. I know that. I don't know if it's more healthy. I know it tasted good. So I'll wrap it up again, throw it in the oven. I think I did 375 for about 45 minutes. Just got up to 200. Here we're going to open it up. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's money. It was so good. I'm going to be doing it this way from now on. And I'm going to try it out for you. So like, subscribe, watch my other videos. That's a big thumbs up for me. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks.